Toyota's rear seat reminder system is a crucial safety feature designed to prevent pediatric vehicular heat stroke by alerting drivers if a rear door was opened before starting a trip. As of 2025, most new Toyota vehicles come standard with this system, including the Camry from 2022 onwards, RAV4 from 2021, Highlander from 2020, and many other popular models. While this is an important safety feature, you might need to disable it temporarily. The most common method is through your vehicle's infotainment system. Here's the step-by-step process. First, access the main menu on your touchscreen. Then navigate to Settings or Vehicle Settings, select Safety and Driving Assist, find the rear seat reminder option, and set it to Off. This is what the vehicle settings screen looks like, where you can find various safety and driving assistance features, including the rear seat reminder system. Remember, this system is designed to protect children from potentially fatal heat stroke incidents. Consider your specific needs carefully before disabling this important safety feature. Some Toyota models offer an alternative method to adjust rear seat reminder settings through the multi-information display, or MID, using your steering wheel controls. Navigate through your vehicle's menu system to find Vehicle Customization, then locate the Safety Systems submenu where you can adjust the rear seat reminder settings. This method works well for drivers who prefer using physical controls rather than touchscreen interfaces. For certain Toyota models, especially fleet vehicles or those with locked safety settings, you may need to visit a Toyota dealer for professional programming. Dealers use Toyota TechStream diagnostic software to access and modify advanced vehicle settings that aren't available through standard user interfaces. This professional approach ensures proper configuration without voiding your vehicle's warranty. Before completely disabling the rear seat reminder system, consider these important factors and expert recommendations. Safety experts strongly recommend customizing sensitivity settings rather than completely disabling the system. This approach reduces false positives while maintaining critical safety protection. Toyota's rear seat reminder system demonstrates an impressive 87% effectiveness rate in preventing forgotten child incidents, making it a valuable safety feature worth preserving. When making changes to your vehicle's safety systems, always prioritize the protection of your passengers while finding the right balance for your specific needs.